Triplex Electrochem, a name that itself holds its abilities. Experts in electroplating since 2007. With the backed experience in imitation gold and silver plating, arise the idea of a firm like this. We cater all plating needs right from copper plating, nickel plating, tin plating to silver and gold plating. We boast of highly experienced and well-trained employees and workers. Our employees and workers undergo safety training programs which enlightens them with ways to adopt a safe working lifestyle. While safety of our workers is an integral part of our concern, we have all the first aid essentials handy at our site. Our workers, on the other hand, also undergo a first aid training. We at Triplex believe in eradicating all the bars to socialize with our employees. We celebrate all festivals, employees' birthdays with great zenith. We live as a one big family, and that for us is our biggest asset. We possess modern quality assurance and chemical laboratories that are fully equipped with the latest analytical and testing equipment. Chemical analysis of all plating solution is done at the laboratory before it is brought in use at actual. All minute compositions are checked and cross-verified before bringing it in use. The amount of concentrate to be used is first approved by the laboratory experts and then processed for further use. We strive to the best of our abilities and give the best to our customers. Triplex has bagged quite a few awards and certificates as a part of appreciation. Electroplating offers a number of benefits which improves the quality of the manufacturing process and gives the best end results. Electroplating forms a protective barrier, enhances appearance, reduces friction, conducts electricity, prevents formation of whiskers, resists heat, is magnetic, increases hardness, absorbs light and energy, promotes adhesion, increases thickness, prevents tarnishing, corrosion protection, long-lasting. We offer plating on components of every size and shape. Also, we provide plating of all types and cater all types of industrial plating needs. Irrespective what the final plating requirement is, every metal undergoes copper and nickel plating. This intermediate layer slows down or stops reaction between the metal and the top coat plating. With plating being our top priority, every metal is cleaned before it is sent for plating. The prime objective of cleaning the metal is to separate dirt, oil and other debris from the top layer of the metal. Post-cleaning, the metal surface is dirt-free and thus there remains no obstruction to bond the plating on the metal. Water rinsing is a regulation followed after every step. Rinsing with water not just removes chemicals but also prevents cross-contamination. The next step of activation is an important one. It ensures proper adhesion of the plated material on the base material and is an extremely important step in all plating activities. Electroplating copper can be extremely valuable in applications such as the manufacturing of electronic parts and components, as well as products used in the aerospace and defense industries. Copper is also widely used for plating on plastics and other non-metallic surfaces. The plating bath contains organic additives to provide a bright and level deposit. Dull or matte nickel has a better corrosion resistance and has better mechanical properties. It is deposited as a thicker underlayer below bright nickel and provides a robust substrate for products used in severe environments, example the external applications on motor vehicles and for components subject to salt water. The electroplating of tin or tinning is often viewed as a cost-effective alternative to plating with more expensive materials such as gold and silver. For functional applications, tin plating is applied in the tin industry, food industry, electronics and telecommunication, automotive and automobile sector. While tin plating is done on loose small components, Triplex introduces wet tin plating with an innovative technique of plating the component with a vertical fixture position. This enables plating the components separately and also prevents chemical reactions. Silver is a white-colored semi-precious metal with an oxidizing property. Due to its property of high electrical conductivity, it is used in electronics and semiconductor industries. Silver is also an excellent conductor of heat and offers great solderability. It is malleable and has a high degree of lubricity. Silver finds usage in bearing surfaces and anti-galling applications. The gold plating allows the electronic device to be more conductive and more resistant to wear, thus performing better and lasting longer. With our high quality machineries, we also suffice the customer requirement of selective plating, one of the most unique and rare service in the industry. We boast of precisely following the norms set by the customers. Selective plating allows partial plating of different metals on the same component. Triplex Electrochem is one of its kind company and firmly stands on its quality policy. The final product undergoes a quality test before being dispatched to the customers. This process includes various types of testing where each and every single product is thoroughly checked for its best quality. Triplex conducts 3 major tests that include testing the thickness of the plating with the XRF machine that verifies if the base material is plated with the required number of layers. The another test of bend and adhesion check ensures that the base material is not prone to being peeled off and that it retains its strength. The test of solderability conducted with respect to MIL standard 883 includes dip and look test where the base material is dipped in the solder bath and visually checked. If the set criteria is not met, the entire production lot is cancelled. We make use of the DM plant to remove salts and minerals from the water and to maintain the pH level before it is brought to use. While our entire process includes a heavy use of water, the water holds substrates of various chemicals too. This water, if directly disposed, will prove to be extremely hazardous to the environment. Triplex Electrochem contributes in making the world a better place to live in. We use the effluent water treatment plant that separates these hazardous chemicals from the used water before it is disposed of.
Quality assurance and chemical laboratories are modern and fully equipped with the latest analytical and testing equipments like Fisheroscope, XRF machine for thickness testing, DM plant of Thermax for demineralized water. We are being supported technically by leading electroplating chemical manufacturers in India. As we are the only company which had certified for the TS 16949 and ISO 9001-2009 to become a leading plating company in India, to undertake the new developments for global customers through multinationals in India, working in line with the international guidelines with norms satisfying various international certifications, and to establish the process satisfying environmental norms like ISO 14000. Having understood the vital role played by plating in engineering products, we had ensured that we at the Triplex Electrochem, both management and the staffs we had, are committed to the total quality of our product with safe and healthy environment.